Hello friends, I am so excited to give you an introduction into my Fast Track Python programming course. As you probably know, Python is one of the most versatile languages, and it's definitely a language that you want to learn if you're looking to get into data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. I first got my foot into the tech industry door back in 2012 as a software developer. And my mission on this channel is to hold that tech door open to others who maybe feel intimidated by the tech industry or intimidated by learning to code, or maybe who don't have the resources to go to formal school or any other reason. We all have our own reasons and obstacles, and I've created this course to be one less obstacle in your way. And my Fast Track Python programming course is different than any other Python programming bootcamp or course or tutorial that I have seen. And I've made it different in 3 ways. The first way is that I won't overwhelm you with a ton of code or a ton of information before you actually start using it. I make it super easy by taking just a few coding skills and then building with that. And you'll learn the basics of Python programming by taking these baby steps and coding along the way. Second is you'll learn hands-on by actually coding Python programs. As I just mentioned, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to build Python programs starting as soon as part 1, right away. We'll build a program in every single lesson because learning by doing is really the best way to learn how to code. I also include links to my coding notebooks, which are kind of like coding worksheets or cheat sheets that I have built in to help you along this fast track. Number 3, since we will be building programs in every single lesson, you can use these programs in your own portfolio. So if you're learning to code to get a job as a developer, then you'll be building your portfolio as you learn, which will save you so much time because you can start your job search right after you learn, and you'll have a portfolio ready to show potential employers what you can do. Also, I'm not only covering the Python coding skills. I've also integrated some methods to show you how to think programmatically like coders do. So you'll have the logic and the mindset of a coder by the end of this course. And my course is free, and it's open to anyone and everyone, all skill levels, right down to absolute beginner. There's no risk other than the time you spend. So take that first step through this tech door and see what you can do. I've made Python coding super easy, and I have confidence that you can do this. So if you're ready to fast track your way to Python programming, then join me in part 1. Or if you're an absolute beginner to any kind of coding or programming, then join me in the collab intro video that I have linked below. And let's get started on this programming journey. I'll see you there.